How you doing? My name is Chavoor from Torwel Plowing and Sanding Incorporated. We're a locally based company out of Worcester, Massachusetts. Basically a family-owned business for around 35 years now. For that 35 years, we've been using the Torwel Economizer sander. They're all 304 stainless hopper. It's a 2.5 yard. If you obviously heap it up, you'll get easily 3 yards out of it. These are mid 90s, and the one in back of it's a 2001. Both these themselves have spread around 1.2 million pounds of sand and salt this year. So for a few years now, they've been doing Honda motors, and they are excellent. I mean, change oil once a year. The plugs that I'm on now, each one hasn't been changed in 5 years. They light up, no problem. Turn that key, they fire right up. There's no issues. When you're adjusting the throttles, it goes right up and down, no issue, smooth running. You can get your parts from Torwel, which it's easier. Obviously, they're right there, ready to go. But if it's a Sunday and they're closed, you can go to your local parts hardware stores and you can hopefully find a 1-inch bearing, because that's basically all the bearings that are on the Economizer. The bolts on the machine are also stainless, which makes changing parts very easy. There's no need to break out torches or grinding wheels to cut off regular carbon steel bolts. It makes, like I said, the minimal parts changing very easy. So the maintenance is very simple on these machines. Obviously wash them after the storms, keep everything nice and clean and salt-free the best you can. Very easy greasing on this machine. There's one bearing in the middle here. There's 2 bearings on each side. Easy grease fittings, easy to get to. There's 2 more up front on the takeout bearings. And then I like to give the chain a good spray down of just simple lube. Any type of WD-40 fluid film will work excellent. Since we cover the maintenance, we can head on inside and I can show you easily the cab features how to work. There's a on and off switch right here, your ignition, push to choke, a throttle, which obviously raises your engine speed up and down so that you can get a wider or shorter spreading pattern. There's also an optional flasher switch right here, which can be put on for safety lights in back, can put on for a light that points out to the spreading pattern so you know when your sand is empty. And then also, obviously, the conveyor switch right here, which is got an easy red light so you know when you're spreading, you know when you're not spreading, so you're not wasting material driving around. We had some real cold weather here, negative degrees here. Choke it, start it, no problem. I was having trucks that were freezing up, heavy equipment that was frozen. The sand has never failed me.